Parts and Wholes, Chapter 4, NCERT, Math Magic, Class Y, Part 1. Flags. All countries have their own flags. It is used as a symbol, a signaling device, or for decoration. It is of distinctive design and colors. This is an example of Indian flag. The other one is an example of decoration flag, and this is a train flag which is used by the station master for showing the green and red colors. All of us know how to draw a flag. So now we know how to draw our Indian flag. Let's see. Draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeters and width 6 centimeters. Divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay, and then in between what will keep? Ashoka Chakra. And when we see this orange part is, what's the fraction of this orange part? Totally it is divided into 1, 2, 3. So total number of parts are 3. So in that the orange part is first part. So it is 1 by 3. And the white part is also 1 by 3. But white color is less than 1/3. Why? Because in between this Ashoka Chakra is there. Next, green part. This green part is also 1 by 3. That is 1 part out of 3 parts. And for the introduction for fractions, already a video is uploaded. I have kept it in the description also. Please watch it first. Okay. And this is the length, which is 9 centimeters. And this is the width, which is 6 centimeters. Okay. Now, the top 1/3 of a flag is saffron or orange color. This is saffron or orange color. Now, what is the first question? What is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? So, they are asking what is the color of the middle 1/3. 1/3 means 1 out of 3 parts. So, what is the color of the middle 1/3 here? It is white color. Where will you draw the Ashoka Chakra? Now they are asking, where will we draw the Ashoka Chakra? So where is Ashoka Chakra drawn? Ashoka Chakra is drawn in between. Yes or no? In the which portion it is? White portion of the flag. So we will draw Ashoka Chakra in middle of the white portion of the flag. Next, how much of the flag will you color green? So what is the fraction of the color green colored part? It is, how many parts it is? 1 part out of 3 parts, because 1, 2, 3. So 1 out of 3 parts, that is 1/3 portion of the flag will be colored green. Okay, now going to the next one. Is the white portion now less than 1/3 of the flag? So what they are asking, the white portion, that is this portion, is less than 1/3 or not. So is it or no? Yes, because in white in this white portion, what is there? Ashoka Chakra is there. So that's why it is less than 1/3. It is less than 1/3 of the flag. Now, next one, the flags of Afghanistan. In the textbook, first they have given you the flag of Afghanistan, and now look at this flag, and the question given is, how much of it is black? So, what portion of it is black, they are asking you. So, what is the portion of it is in black? Now, totally how many portions are there? 1, 2 and 3. So, totally how many portions are there? 3 portions are there. So, 1 by total how many? 3, because black portion is 1 by total number of portions 3. So 1/3 of the portion of the flag is in black color. Now next, the green part of the flag can be written as, how can we write this green part of the flag? So how many parts are there? Green parts 1 by total how many portions are there? 1, 2, 3. So how we can write it? 1 by 3. Okay. Now next, is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? Now they are asking where the red color is less than 1/3. Red is 1/3 because red is 1 out of 3 portions. And is it less? Yes, because as in our Indian flag, Ashok Chakra was in between, so the white part was less. Similarly, the red color is less than 1/3 of the flag because white emblem, you can see here one white emblem is present in the red portion. Now, this is the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? So, what we are asking, is blue more than 1/4 of the flag? 1/4 means 1 out of 4 parts. Okay, if we divide this exactly, somewhere here it will be, half will be somewhere here it will be. So, is it less or not? Yes. So, the blue color is less than 1/4 of the flag. Now, guess how much of the flag is red? They are asking how much of the flag is red. Is it more than 1/2? Means 1/2 means half. Is it more than 3/4? 3/4 means 3/4. 3/4 means 3/4. So what we can say? It is more than half. Yes or no? Half means, from if I draw here, it will be half. So is it more than half? Obviously it is more than half, and also more than 3/4, because if I exactly divide it half here and exactly divide it half here, so how it will be? More than 3/4 also. Okay, I hope all of you understood till here. Now shall we go to the next part? Now, next in page number 51, it is given as collect as many flags as you can. They're asking you to collect. So, different type of flags you can draw, you can collect and paste it. For example, here it's given USA, Malaysia, United Kingdom, Ghana. So, in this way, and this is for you to analyze the fractions. For example, in this red, how much we can say it is? 1/3. Yellow, 1/3. Green, 1/3. Okay, now the next one. This is the flag of Math Club in school in Kerala. What part of the flag is colored red? What part is green? Now they are asking you, this is a flag of a math club. Math club means in a school, if maths groups, everything, they form a club, that is known as maths club. Okay, and they are asking us what part of the flag is colored red. So now you have to count once again. Now you have to count how many parts are there. 1, totally 2. This is the third part. This is the fourth part, and this is the fifth part. So out of 5 parts, how many are red? 1 and 2. So how many are red? 2. By total number of parts, we already calculated 5. That is 2/5 is red. And coming to green, how many are green? 1. By total number of parts, how many are there? 5. So 1/5 is green. Now see this black logo drawn in it. Can you see here? It is a logo which is given here. Is there a math club in your school? So you have to write whether you are having a math club. If yes, you will write yes. If not, ask your teacher how to set it up. Design a flag for your math club. Draw it here. So they have given you space here. You can draw a flag of your wish. I have drawn just a sample flag in which we divided it into parts, and I have kept some image in that way. So you can keep your own images. So you have to draw a flag and keep some image, like this logo is there. You have to keep some logo for your maths club. Now have you used, this is the logo, ma. Have you used the red color, and you give some colors of your wish, okay? And they're asking, have you given the red color? What part of the flag did you color red? So if you have given, for example, if I given this as red and this as red, then how many parts is red? 2 parts is red. Out of total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 9 parts. And what are the other colors you choose? So they are asking what all are the other colors you choose. Okay. Now the next one. Page number 51. Magic top. Let us make a magic top. Take a cardboard piece, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and cut it out. So what they are asking you in last class, that is in 4th class, you know what is circle and what is radius. So they are asking you to take a cardboard piece, draw a circle. You have to draw a circle and the radius should be 3 centimeters. Okay, you have to take the radius as 3 centimeters, then measure it exactly 3 centimeters, keep the compass in between, and then what you will draw? You will draw a circle. And draw the circle of radius 3 centimeters and cut it out. Divide the circle into 8 parts. How many parts they are asking you to divide? 8 parts. See, here it is given. You will divide it into 8 parts. Now each part 1 by 8 of the circle. So each part will become 1 by 8. So no, 1 by total number of parts is 8. So 1 by 8. Now color 2 by 8 red. 2 by 8 red means out of 8 parts, how many parts you will color red? 2 parts you will color red. 2 parts. See, here it's given here. 2 parts you will color red. 1 by 8 orange. Means 1 part you will color it as orange. 1 by 8 yellow. That is 1 part you will color it as yellow. As shown here. Now push a matchstick. So how all the colors are given here. In this way you will do it. Now put a matchstick through the center of the circle. Your magic top is ready. Spin it fast. And after making it ready, you put a matchstick in between, and with the help of that you can spin it. See here, the boy is able to spin it or not. So what do you see? Can you see all the colors? Write what you see in your notebook. So what they are asking is, when you spin it, when you are not spinning it, you can see all the colors, and when you are spinning, are you able to see all the colors? You do this experiment, then you will know. Okay, actually what happens is, when the magic spot is spinning, when the magic top is spinning, we cannot see the colors properly, as it is continuously spinning, that is rotating. We cannot see. We see a white circular top spinning. We just feel it like some white top is spinning. Okay. Okay, I hope you understood this part. We'll continue in the next part. Thank you.